Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am ahsahnlneayh, and you are welcome to my final installment of installing Windows 10 on my Mac. I've actually had a bit of problem with this. I went through like I thought was right, and didn't work. So tried again, and it didn't work. Did a bit of research, and turns out on the Parallels website, if you go into support and you come to this, it does tell you that you will need, once you purchase Windows, you need to visit the download Windows 10 page to create your own installation media. You click on that link and it takes you to this page here, and then you select which bit it is. It asks you a couple of questions and it downloads an ISO file, this one here. So with that said, I'm hoping that it's going to work now. I thought I'd done it wrong when once I opened up Parallels Desktop and went through it, and I had the option to customize some settings before installing it. I thought that I would do that, and I thought that's what I did wrong. Like, I went on it and it changed something. So the second time I did it, I didn't. I just left it as it was, and I thought, oh, that'll work, and it didn't. So I'm really hoping that this is going to work now, because, well, yeah, when you pay for software like this, you hope it works. So hopefully it's just me being silly and doing something wrong. But if you're like me and you bought Windows 10 from a retail store, you'll have got it in a box. So you want to take out the USB that came with it, and you want to pop that in. When you open Parallels Wizard will open, and you want to pop the USB in, very tiny USB. It'll have a sticker over the end. You want to just pull that off. And if you're like me and you want to put it onto a USB, you want to highlight this option here. Up there you can see that's Windows 10. That's the USB there. So yeah, you want this option here and continue. And it's found, usually before the other two occasions I did it, I used this. Now I don't know if it's going to find the ISO file or not, or ISO file, however you like to say it. I don't think it's going to. Okay, so we'll use that, and I'll show you kind of what it did if it's going to do it wrong. Choose between productivity or games only. Obviously, I'm going for productivity. You can change the name. You can share with other users on this Mac, which I will do. It shows you space on selected disk. Virtual machine will take 20 gig of that. See, before I clicked on customize settings before installation. Yeah, by all means, create an alias on your Mac desktop. That's fine. Again, I'm going to leave that. You can change the settings later. Don't worry. So this is where it went wrong. It should ask for your product key, and this is where it went wrong for me twice. So I don't know if it's going to find the ISO file and kind of work, or it's going to not work again like this. This is what it did the other two occasions. This is actually Windows 10, and it's just not working. It's just not having it. So what I had to do was, this is not good. This is not good at all. It just goes through that and it does some stuff and it just doesn't work. So you want to close. I want to close it. Now it's taking a while to close. Okay, thank you. It closed. Right, open up Parallels Desktop again. Right click on this little square here, and you want to click on Remove. Enter your password if you've selected how to put a password in when you remove a virtual machine. Move to trash, and it's gone now. I don't think any of these things down here have anything to do with it. Again, we'll go with that. It doesn't come up with anything else. Let's try and go with image file. Oh, no, what am I doing? I don't need to do that. No, no, go away. There. So you saw that, I just clicked on my downloads and dragged the ISO file into the image, into this little bit here. So let's see if that does anything. Okay, Windows 10. Click continue to begin installation. Ah, here we go. Windows product key. Express installation. This version requires a product key. I don't know what Express installation is, but nevertheless, go back into your box and you'll need your product key. So it'll be in a little card and you can go ahead and type that in. Okay, product key is in. See, I was worried that I only needed like the ISO file and then it would have worked, but obviously now it's asked for a product key. I know that I did actually need to buy a copy of Windows for it to work. So then choose whether you're going to be using it for productivity mode or games only. For me, it's going to be productivity. Again, Windows 10. Yep, that's beautiful. Share with other users. Yep. Again, your disk and how much the virtual machine is going to take. Create an alias. Yep. Customize. No, I'm going to leave that. And let's see if it works. Come on, please, fingers crossed. The alias has appeared. Fingers are actually crossed here. Please. If this doesn't work, I'm out of ideas. But, oh wow. Oh wow. It's opened up at the bottom here. Windows 10. Oh man. Oh man. So all it needed was the ISO file, guys. That's all it needed. You just needed to run it off the ISO file. Don't try and boot it from the USB, because it won't work. You need to create your own installer, and that's the ISO file. And I showed you that at the beginning of the video, how to get to that. Oh man, this is just surreal. I haven't used Windows since Vista. Vista was my first Windows operating system, and I used that for a long time. The mouse kind of like follows. That's really cool. A bit laggy though. Again, you can fiddle with the settings at your own pleasure. I will go through them and just show you what the settings are like, but I probably won't touch them. Getting files ready for installation. Okay, this looks like it's going to take a while. Hopefully not too long. It's 4:10. I need to leave for work at 5:30. Oh, I hope it's done by then. I'm going to head off, let this do its thing, and I'll come back when we get to, around the update stage. Okay, fingers crossed it all works, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, we're here and it's just finished, and as you can see here, it wants to restart, which is fine by me. It can do whatever it needs to. I'm just hoping and praying that this works. Dear me. Oh God, that scared me then. 16 gigabytes of RAM have come in useful already. So handy with this. I'm so impatient. Okay, so it's just restarting. Oh, it's getting devices ready. 33% already. Oh, 72. Wow, okay, that was quick. Oh, we have some progress. The Windows icons have gone. I have a Windows mouse. Mac mouse, Windows mouse, Mac mouse, Windows mouse. Oh, look at this. We're getting somewhere. Or are we getting nowhere? Oh no, it's gone back to what it was doing. Oh, it's gone again. And it's back again. Not sure what it keeps doing, but it's gone again. And it's back again. I'm not turning my computer off. 100% complete. Wow. Okay. Hi. Hello. Well, thank you. That's very, very kind of you. I appreciate it. I bloody hope not. Got to go eat my tea in half an hour. Well, 35 minutes. Pulled pork. Oh yeah. Okay, you take care of them things. That's fine. I'll still be waiting. Let's start. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, did you see that? Did you see that? There was a beep. It's restarting again. Oh my god, how ready does it need to be? I'm ready, I was born ready. Looks like it's restarting, hopefully for the last time. Starting coherence. Ooh, we're in full screen. Is it wanting me to put a password in? Is that what it's wanting me to do? No, I can't type anything. Okay, so QuickTime Player shut automatically, but before it did, it just kept kind of Windows kept flicking on and off. So I'm not sure what is going on, but it seems to have added this folder here to my dock. Windows 10 applications, which is cool. Yeah, that's very cool. But now is Windows actually going to open? That's the question, isn't it? Starting Windows 10. I'm not sure how to actually get it up. That's what she said. So, is this coherence mode then? Because it's like running, but it's like you can't see it. So if I exit coherence, there she is. There's Windows 10. Wow. And you can see all my things that are on my dock at the minute are there. Wow, okay. So what does that do? Oh wow. Wow. I don't know if it's still recording. Oh wow. That's just cool. I mean, you can have Windows 10 running, so it's just running constantly, so you can just swipe across the windows and it's fast. There's no lag, and there's no lag whatsoever. Wow. So if I go exit full screen, it pops up there as a second screen. So that one puts it full screen. That one brings it back down again. The blue one closes it. Oh, it starts coherence. The blue one starts coherence. So what's this? What's this? That's for OneDrive. What's this here? That's for Action Center, which is a bit like Notification Center. Get rid of those now. Okay, we'll clear those. So if I click on that, it'll start it, and then it is open, like, because it's here. Look. So you get actions. Look. You can exit coherence. For exit coherence, it should pop up. Yep, and then you hit the green one like you would in a normal, excuse me, normal Mac window to maximize it, so you can swipe across, and you can swipe across like that. And like I said, it's super duper fast, and I can still like access Mac features as well. Wow. So let's go Control Center, and I can, wow. Let's go to the settings, and I'll finally show you settings. Yep, some of them can't be changed until the virtual machine's shut down, but I can show you most things. So you can see here, look, total size, it's taking up 8.8 gig. You can give a description, configure file, you can change that when it's shut down though. You can reclaim space now. Options, start up and shut down, optimization, sharing, apps, applications, full screen, modality, web and email, travel mode, and more options. You've got hardware options, so CPU and memory, boot order, graphics, mouse and keyboard, shared printers, network 1, sound, USB and Bluetooth, hard disk 1, CD/DVD 1 and 2. Then you've got security, and then you have backup as well. I'm going to go through these at my own time, but so I can close Control Center. You've got view. You've got options here, actions there, devices, configure. Wonder what configure does. Oh, it's just straight to the settings, basically. Add to Launchpad. Yeah, we can add that to Launchpad. Options, look, so we can keep that in the dock. Don't want it to open at login, but so yeah. Look, Windows, it's put a folder there, so I can drag that across. I'll leave that here. And Windows 10 is here as well. So I'll pop that there as well. So yeah. Wow. And that's just the USB. So I should be able to eject that, pull that out, and then still, yep, still use Windows. Wow, that's, you got right click and everything, man. That's just like, that's just insane. So I can switch that around, so Windows is my main screen, and then I swipe across for Mac. That's just so cool. It's so fast, fluid. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm gonna take time to edit this all together, all the different bits here. Well, these are all the shots for this video, and then they're all separate ones. I'm gonna have a play around on this, and I might even do like a review video, just to show you kind of features it's got once I've had a play around and I know what I'm doing. So thank you very much for sticking with me on this adventure. It seems to have come out all right in the end. So I've been Ashbash. You have been fantastic. If you have any questions whatsoever, you know where to leave them, and I would love to hear them and answer them. So from me, Windows 10 and Mac OS 10, El Capitan, look after yourselves. See you in the next one.